I've been searching high and low. If there's a way through, Lord, please show me. Won't let this world take control. In just a blink it pulls my heart in and pulls me in. Each step I take towards it. And now I'm trying to stop. Can I control it? Controlling, yeah. Oh, I've been chasing this world like it won't be fading. I'm done, I made my decision. Oh, don't be please, just got me right back. Won't stop at nothing, oh never will I just give in. It's time I change my condition. Oh, don't be please, just got me right back. Oh, won't you got me right back. Oh, please, just got me right back. It's hard to know which way to go. These roads are so long, hope I'll make it. Won't let temptation take control. But in a blink it pulls my heart.
It's Salty!
This award recognizes a team that utilizes outstanding programming principles, including clear, concise, and reusable code that allows their robot to perform challenge missions autonomously and, this is the hard one, consistently. Our third place programming award goes to Team 7 Stem Cell Z from Australia.
Chasing this world like it won't be fading. I'm done, I made my decision. Oh, Robbie, please just got me right back. Won't stop at nothing, oh never will I just give in. It's time I change my condition. Oh, Robbie, please just got me right back. Oh, won't you got me right back. I feel so free when you're near me, Robbie. Oh, Robbie, please just got me right back.
Woke up with the light, a sky so blue above my eyes. With a thankful heart, today is another brand new start. I feel so positive, just wanna do my best to show this world I'm living in all of the love that I can give. There are many things that I can do, many things, yeah, that can make me feel so close to you. Joy within my heart can't be removed. Within my heart when I'm loving you. Yeah. Oh, every day's a good day. I put my life in your hands, Allah. You will always lead my way. Oh, every day's a good day. I give my life to you, Allah. You will always lead my way. Oh, I love this morning breeze. Love how it can revive my soul. I'm so glad to be surrounded by the people I know, filled with happiness. Just wanna give my all and be all that I can be. Share all my love and energy, yeah. How many things that I can do, many things, yeah, that can make me feel so close to you. Joy within my heart can't be removed. Within my heart when I'm loving you. Yeah. Oh, every day's a good day. I put my life in your hands, Allah. You will always lead my way. Oh, every day's a good day. I give my life to you, Allah. You will always lead my way.
سبحان الله ملك الكون لولا فضل الله ما كان يكون يكون وكلت أمري ديما وكل يوم لله 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 لله. سبحان الله ملك الكون لولا فضل الله ما كان يكون وكلت أمري ديما وكل يوم لله 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 لله.
Every day's a good day. I put my life in your hands, Allah. You will always lead my way. Oh, every day's a good day. I give my life to you, Allah. You will always lead my way. Oh, every day's a good day. I put my life in your hands, Allah. You will always lead my way. Every day's a good day. I give my life to you, Allah. You will always lead my way. Oh, and now that we're here, feeling so good about all the things that we went through, knowing that God is pleased with us too. It's not a dream, this is so true. Feeling the peace all around, seeing things we could never imagine, hearing the sound of rivers flow, and we know we'll be here forever. The feeling is indescribable, knowing that this is our reward. Do you remember the hard times we went through, and those days we used to argue, but there was not one thing that could bring us down, 'cause we always had in our minds the place that no eye has ever seen, the place that no heart has ever perceived, the place we've been promised to live in forever. And best of all, it's just me and you. And now that we're here, feeling so good about all the things that we went through, knowing that God is pleased with us too. It's not a dream, this is so true. Feeling the peace all around, seeing things we could never imagine, hearing the sound of rivers flow, and we know we'll be here forever. The feeling is indescribable.